All right, hello. Welcome to this weather update. It's about 7:30, April 16th, 2021, and another day. We started off a little sun in the morning, showing off the clouds. By 10 o'clock, we were already mostly cloudy, and the showers popped up by the afternoon, and they were quite widespread. Had some showers around. You could still see a few showers on the radar here throughout our area. Long Island, New Jersey. Here's your low pressure system. You can clearly see the center of it right over there, over the Cape. And you can see the rain and even some snow fall that has happened in Connecticut. We're going to look at that too. Looking at the satellite, here it is on the satellite. Clearly see the circulation from that low pressure finally starting to move slowly off to the east. So let's start with the rainfall totals from the storm system that we just went through. I'm not going to go over Connecticut's, but you can see on Connecticut's you got between 0.85 and 1.85 inches. Parts of Connecticut, though, got a lot more, like New Haven County, 2.41 in New Haven. New London, 1.61, but I'm mostly focused on our area here. The Bronx, they got at least an inch there. Pelham Parkway, 1.17. Brooklyn, not that much there. Brooklyn College, only 0.83. Nassau County, though, we're definitely in that 3/4 to almost 1.5 inch range. Massapequa 1.42, Massapequa Park 1.40, Wantagh 1.38. Most of these numbers seem to be from the South Shore. Hicksville 1.29. There's some from Sarasota 1.16. Central Park 0.84. Not nearly as much over there. Orange County, which is upstate, they got a little more, 1.16. Putnam County 1.38. In Queens, a little further east, of course, Howard Beach, 1.25. And the higher amounts, though, are in Suffolk County. Santa Mauritius comes in at 2.21 inches. The rest are around 1/2 to 1 3/4 of an inch. Eastport, 1.91. Ridge, 1.91. Patchogue, 1.90. I'm not going to read all of these. Brightwater, 1.85. Setauket, 1.67. You get the idea. Decent amount of rain. Definitely got us out of this drought. I'll put the link below in the description to that. But what we really want to look at is, believe it or not, there's been some snowfall. So let's take a look at the snowfall reports here. We've got a map of snowfall reports. So we're going to look at this. This is from the Weather Service up in New England. And you can see some areas of Connecticut even got some accumulating snow, 1-2 inches. And then as you go further north into Massachusetts, places like Boylston, 6.3 inches. Even Boston itself got... City of Boston got around 2 inches there. Then as you go into the mountains, though, it gets even higher. So 0.8 inches in Goshen. This is not terribly uncommon. And you got a foot up in the mountains. So it's not terribly uncommon for April to see this. Just another reminder that, yes, you can get snow in April, but fortunately, this time at least, it's not us. It could have been. It was close enough that if we had a little more cold air involved, we could have had some snowfall. But fortunately, that didn't happen. Or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it. I can wait till next winter for the snow. So let's go look at the latest forecasts and see what's going to be happening. Here's your low on the GFS. This thing pulls on out of here tomorrow. We should have better weather. Probably not a mostly sunny day, but at least probably no rain. And same thing for Sunday. We're dry. The storm system passes to our south Monday. But we stay dry. Our next chance of precipitation really won't be until next Wednesday. And then after that, we get looks like some really cool air coming down behind that storm there. Taking a closer look at our area here as far as the chances for precipitation. I'll look at the NAM3. And you'll see, once this is out of here, we're done with the chances of precipitation. Tomorrow, maybe a very slight chance of some isolated sprinkle in the late afternoon, early evening. Though, and again, the models kind of underdid the rain today, so we'll have to see. Sunday, much more stable profile of the atmosphere, so I don't think we'll see any precipitation on Sunday. So let's go to the HRRR, and we'll use this and we'll look at the temperatures for the weekend. I'm only going to really cover the weekend in this forecast and maybe just a little bit in the next week. So let's go look. Tonight, obviously, we're still in the cold air. We're going down to the 30s. Tomorrow, we'll warm up. Still a little bit below normal. Highs around 50 degrees. For Sunday, warmer still, probably, especially if you're in New Jersey. Excuse me. And for Long Island, you see temperatures a little cooler because there'll be a sea breeze probably. We can also look at the GFS with that as well. So you'll see here's tomorrow. We'll get near 50, but again, there'll still be a decent amount of clouds, so I think that holds us back. Sunday will be warmer, probably highs in the low to mid 50s, and then still warmer on Monday. And then you get it really warm up on Tuesday. We could have a really warm day on Tuesday. Before that, strong cold front moves through, and then Thursday, we are fighting to reach 50 degrees. Maybe we get back above 50 on Friday because we're going to have that storm system bring down some cool air. The most important thing is, though, when are we going to see the sun? Because this is so depressing with all these cloudy days. And you can see GFS just has plenty of clouds over us tomorrow. Sunday, a little less in the way of clouds, but I don't know if it's going to be a clear day. I mean, none of these days look clear. Actually, Tuesday looks like it could be the clearest day here, although the warmest. And then behind that system, we might have some instability cloudiness, but hopefully we can clear it out sometime behind that system. And as far as next Saturday goes, maybe a clear day, but that's over a week away. Not even going to go there. Let's look at the NAM cloud cover. And you can see here, we're going to have some clouds around, but I think, well, it looks like right around the middle of the day, it looks like we could have a break of mostly sunny weather there for a little bit before some more clouds come in. Sunday, we have more clouds developing again. This is the NAM, so it's like, and these would be, let's see if these are low clouds or high clouds. Probably low clouds. Yeah, low clouds. So these would be, again, stratocumulus type clouds, not cirrus type clouds. Look at the RGM as well. I mean, the weekend will be better than what we've been dealing with this week, obviously, but it's not going to be crystal clear. Maybe a little clear skies, maybe for a period in the afternoon tomorrow. RGM seems to indicate that, especially over Suffolk County. Sunday, we may have clear skies in the first part of the day, and then in the afternoon we may have another cloud build up again, as you can see here, because we still have a somewhat unstable temperature profile in the atmosphere, so that's why we see these clouds popping up in the afternoon every day. Monday, maybe a little better on Monday. We'll have to see when we get there what happens. But other than that, I think that's going to wrap up this weather update. Not a long one because we're so tired of this weather. I just want to get back outside again. This is really depressing, especially when you wake up at 8 in the morning and got to hear this. So anyway, that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care and thanks for watching.